So let's go and take a look at safety relays, right? We all know a piece of equipment in industry would normally be supplied by, and especially in Germany, a safety relay. You need these because these are dual input safety relays. So, which means that they have electronics, normally an IC inside them, monitoring their inputs. It needs this input to be closed and this input to be closed. If any one of them is interrupted, it'll kick out the output. This output over here, it'll absolutely just kick it out and your motor will drop out. Another thing it looks at is a reset button. So the reset button, we're going to make it the start button now. So the reset button would normally go through a normally open, which what we call the start button, the green button, through the normally closed of the auxiliary because your motor is off in this sense. And then it would basically receive a temporary start signal, right? And it would only start, like we said, if this channel is input, if this channel input is correct, this channel input is correct, and then of course, if you're not going to be using the other channels, you'll normally just bridge them, right? Another normally closed, for example, auxiliary on your main contactor now, and that would basically be able to look for a welded contact example, right? Because it would indicate a fault if it picked up that it dropped out, but the normally closed remained open. Do you understand what I mean? And in that case, the safety relay would normally also kick out the contact and say something is wrong, right? And at this point, if it is welded on your main contact, this could be used to send an auxiliary signal to a PLC signaling an alarm.